Hey guys, today I'm going to explain about the computer vision based mouse pointer. Right? Okay, let me first start off by importing two packages. This one is for NumPy and this one is for OpenCV. And the most important package which we need to import while using the computer vision based mouse pointer is that importing PyAuto GUI package. This package essentially has all the graphical user interface items in which the user used to interface with your personal devices, right? Okay, here I am starting with capturing of image using cv.video capture and storing it into the cam. And let me have two colors like yellow band and green band. Yellow band is generally used for, not generally used, it's I prefer this method. The yellow band which I'm going to use is going to store the movement of the yellow colored object. It will detect the movement of yellow colored object whenever the yellow colored object comes in the front of the screen. It gets automatically detected. For that reason I'm using the yellow band right here, and these are the HSP values for the yellow band. And green band is obviously used for left click. You can also use it for any other color, but I will generally go for yellow or green color right here. Okay, so here the thing actually starts. I'm checking for condition whether the video exists or not. I'm checking it in while true, and I'm actually reading the video which is captured by the cam right here. And actually the video is actually the independent pictures, you know that the independent pictures which are generally the frames, the group of frames forms in video essentially. And the thing with the webcam is it will actually show the mirror image of what it captures. So in order to avoid that function, I'm actually flipping that image. This is why I'm using the cv.flip right here. Again, I'm using the Gaussian blur and mask. Why the mask is used? The region of importance, right? ROI. I can use the entire screen as a ROI, but generally we know the region of interest, the minimum the region of interest is easier for the computer to run the entire algorithm, and it will also take the less time complexity, and it is also very easy to implement this type of concepts right here. So I'm using small ROI right here. So essentially I'm blackening out the unwanted pixels, and I'm keeping only the essential pixels. Okay, that's why the mask is used. I'm using the bitwise in order to differentiate between the ROI and other frame. I'm going to draw a rectangle which is in border, and I'm also divide that rectangle by using lines. Essentially what I'm trying to do is like I'm creating a 3 cross 3 matrices inside a rectangle, right? Next I'm using images. We know that we need to, for any image which has to be used by NP package, NumPy package, it has to be in HSP format. So I'm converting the image of region of importance to HSV, and I'm using the image threshold value, which is essentially this is like will take that HSV image with the lower yellow band value and upper yellow band value. That is if an any object which has the which has the yellow color in it, and that yellow color which obviously rise inside this two values. Whenever an image has the values in between upper and lower band, essentially that object is detected. Okay, and again I'm used to find the contours right here by using find contours, and I'm taking the one with the maximum contours using np.argmax. And we know that essentially the yellow colored object has to be detected by using some moment of importance or some point of importance. So I'm using the center of importance as moment right here. So actually I'm determining the center of moment by using m of m00. Obviously we know that concept. And what essentially I'm trying to do in this statements is like I already said that I'm dividing the given matrix as a 3 cross 3 matrix. So essentially it has 9 grids, and in order for the yellow color object to locate the which position the object lies. For example, if the first grid, so if an object lies in the top left corner, I want my mouse pointer to move in that direction. So essentially the entire thing, like in 9 for all the 9 grids, I have to do like that, except for the center grid. If the object is pointed at the center grid, then that object needs to be present at the center. I mean, it actually remains to be stationary without any movement, right? Actually, I'm done with the movement. Now we must be moving on into the clicking. So yeah, this is for green. Obviously, I have done it for yellow color right there, and this is used for click by auto GUI dot click, and I'm essentially displaying the frame in IMSO function, and if key equal to 27, which is nothing but the code value for the escape key. If I press escape key, the entire thing, I mean all the frame has to be closed. So actually the video capture must be released, and I'm going to destroy all the windows, right? So let me show how this thing runs in a moment. Hang on for a while. Oh, okay. Okay, here I am. Okay, what just happened there? Oh, some error it seems. Actually the mouse pointer. Okay, hey, I get ya. Actually, I'm bad. Okay. Actually, the thing you can see here, I'm showing the yellow object with the green object, so it automatically shows for a click. There's some issue with my screen recording device. Actually, I showed the function of this entire thing, how it works. Thanks for your time. I really appreciate that. Thanks a lot. See ya.